you guys, welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, just don't know if you remember, but in December, we had her on to talk about an upcoming event, but that event was unfortunately postponed. Now, she is back with an update on the Well Encounter. Welcome back, Ingrid.
Thank you, thanks for having me.
It is our
good to be here.
pleasure.
They're loud. It's excited in here.
Yes, man, they have a buzz, they have a vibe.
Yes.
They're ready, the party is going on.
Yes.
All right, yeah, they're full of energy. All right, so the event is called the Well Encounter, right? So as the conceptualizer of this event, like remind us of the significance of the name.
The Well Encounter, straight from the Bible story, the Samaritan woman story in the Bible, how her encounter with Jesus just changed her life. And that's really the inspiration for the event.
I love that.
Yeah.
I remember when you said it before, it was quite. I agree. Just sometimes one encounter can change your life. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just one encounter with the right person at the right time.
Yes.
And suddenly you have a whole thing.
Different trajectory for your
Different
life.
trajectory.
Yes.
So you guys have a different trajectory. You have a new date. You have a new venue.
Yes.
Everything new. Where and when will the event be taking place?
So it's going to be this Saturday, March 18th at Sabina Park, of course. Same artist, however. Nothing has changed in that regard. But of course, like you said, new venue, new date, March 18th. We're ready to go. And just hope your audience is ready to go as well.
Of course, I'm ready.
Yeah,
Hello, ready.
I know it's NCU.
They're ready.
Yes. All right, so you mentioned that the Well Encounter is the pivot point for life-changing experiences, right? So what can patrons look forward to at this event, and who are the artists that are slated to perform?
I'm going to use Chandler Moore's words. He said just to get ready for an electrifying experience.
All right.
And I'm going to just leave it at that. And, you know, as you're saying, who are on the show, of course, Chandler Moore, Naomi Rain, Maverick City's very own Chandler Moore, Naomi Rain, Kevin Downswell, Jamaica's finest, Carlene Davis, Rhoda Isabella, and Rondell Positive. So, of course, you know, it's going to be amazing.
Beer vibes that?
Yeah, it's going to be amazing.
I was fortunate enough to do cross-country invasion last week, and Rhoda Isabella was actually performing. And for someone, if you guys know anything about me, I'm not really that spiritual. I'm not really in that church. I'm not really in that what I mean. You know what I say? But her performance was like it was like, oh my goodness, and it's going to be amazing.
And I tell you, I think any one of those four artists on that lineup can do that. The four Jamaican artists.
Of course. I agree.
Davis can definitely do that. We
I
know
agree.
Kevin Downswell's power.
I agree.
And
I
then
agree.
Rondell Positive is amazing on stage.
I agree.
Yeah.
And Rhoda, as she said, Rhoda is like just the new sound of gospel music in Jamaica right now. I mean, it's just,
I should definitely move with the
amazing.
presence of God and with the presence of whatever it is that you believe in.
Tell us, Ingrid.
It's our presence.
Where can we buy tickets?
You can get tickets online, of course, spuropen.com/TWE22. And Sangster's bookstores across the island, Montego Bay, Bay West, New Kingston, Springs, and quite a few others. Springs, Sovereign, Portmore Pines, Spanish Town, and Supermed family of pharmacies, just pretty much all across the island. St. Mary, Papine, Portland, and of course, again, Fontana Pharmacy in Manchester and Ocherios.
And what I love about this event as well is you're giving back as well. There's a charity component, which I think is wonderful. Who are the beneficiaries of the proceeds of this event?
So two beneficiaries are Food for the Poor and the Honey Hill Community Transformation Foundation. It's Food for the Poor's 40th anniversary. And so we're giving back to them. We're also asking our guests coming out to the event to bring something from their cupboard. So bring a can, bring 2 cans, bring 3, so we can just donate to Food for the Poor as well right there at the gate. They're going to be bringing their trucks and they're going to be hauling those cans away so that they can, you know, do what they do in the community.
I love that because a lot of times I find Christian events and stuff, they charge a fee and whatever, but you're always asking, like, where does the money go? Like, what's happening? They're like, we're going to pray for you. I'm like, no, I'm hungry though.
Well, I can tell you where some of the money will go as it relates to this event is to covering the cost of the event.
Of course.
I mean, just enormous.
Yeah.
The cost's enormous. So, we have to cover the cost as well. But of course, at the end of the day, whatever profits there are, we want to give it to charity,
I love that. I love that.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we know that it's called the Well Encounter. We know that it will be at Sabina Park. And we also know that it's the starting point of a new life. But where can we get more information about the event on social media?
First of all, you go to our website, spiropen.com/TWE22, all things Well Encounter, and then of course on social, the Well Encounter Experience, Well Encounter Event, and then Well Encounter Facebook and TikTok. But on Instagram, it's the Well Encounter Event.
Okay, Ingrid, we have our students here from the university. And you're going to give them, there's going to be a giveaway. Right? This young lady here, she said she blessed all the time, so she's going to win everything.
But you know what? There's somebody's birthday. I heard it was Ashley's birthday.
Yes, it is.
So yeah, let's give it.
Okay, Ashley.
Yes.
Okay. All right, Ashley. You see? I'm not going to ask you how old you are, but the fact is that you are blessed on this day and you're blessed every birthday after that.
Yes.
All right, Ingrid, thank you so much for joining us on Daytime Live. We appreciate that. And it's on Saturday.
We
have one more?
We have one more ticket to give away.
It's not just Ashley blessed?
Yes.
Ashley.
Okay, who else is blessed?
I mean, well, hold on. Since we've given it to a girl, can we just give it to a guy? Let's give it to the first guy in the front. Yes.
I love that.
And you know what? NCU, they've been participating in the event as well. So.
I love that. And like what she just said, NCU, you guys have been participating in the event as well.
Yeah, they've been sharing down there in Manchester.
Beautiful.
So,
Again.
We're just glad to them showing face because I'll be your head back.
He has a face.
Awesome.
Yeah, thank you for joining us, Ingrid.
Thank you for
And yeah,
having
we're
us,
excited. The Well Encounter on a Saturday. Daytime Live will be right back. And we have a music video. Which one is it? We're not tell you. You have to come back to find out. Join us.